evening, alright? I am Sotheany. Welcome back to my English class. Today, we are going to continue with lesson 7. Let's start together. Cloudy. Cloudy. Cloudy spell C-L-O-U-D-Y. Cloudy. Example: today is a cloudy day. Today is a cloudy day. Next, hot. Hot. Hot spell H-O-T. Hot. Example: today the weather is very hot. Today the weather is very hot. Next, cold. Cold. Cold spell C-O-L-D. Cold. Example: today the weather is very cold. Today the weather is very cold. Next, cool. Cool. Cool spell C-O-O-L. Cool. Example: today it is rainy and cool. Today it is rainy and cool. The last word, warm. Warm. Warm spell W-A-R-M. Warm. Example: today it is sunny and warm. Today it is sunny and warm. Okay everyone, I will repeat the words again. Please repeat after me. Cloudy. Cloudy. Hot. Hot. Cold. Cold. Cool. Cool. Warm. Warm. Thank you so much everyone for spending time with me. Please make a sentence or sentences by using the words that we have learned and leave it in a comment to let me know about you. If it's right, I will give you a thumb up. If it's not, I will have check. If you want to learn full lesson with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link down. See you in the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.